cross you up, you just might fall. Got the game in check like this basketball. Steph with the shot, Kyrie with the fillet. I'm off some dog shit, running to the bank. On the coach, they listen when I speak. I heard he dropped the ball, it cannot be me. Every play I call elite. Keep it discreet if you don't want no beef. Come from the street, so I move with precision. On my hustle heavy, homie, holding on to the mission. Clock is ticking, ain't no time for the division. Locked in on my vision. When it started getting blurry, push a hard fourth quarter, I'm going 30 for 30. Not from New York, but I can get sturdy. Like Curry, I got a trophy to get. Pull up in a vet just to sign another check. Mind on a million, got my pockets all swole. That boy reaching for my neck, he end up in the hole. Going for the goal, left wrist bust down, other wrist two-tone. Sweep up the credit, I just bought a new home. I'm gone, I'ma cross you up, you just might fall. Got the game in check like this is basketball. Steph with the shot, Kyrie with the fillet. I'm up some dog shit, running to the bank every day. Hard work pays off, ain't no days off. I can never quit, before I go broke. I cash out this limit, taking risks and some shit. Thank God I went legit, but my name is not Herbo. 20K for a promo. Can't go right for rank because my haters get FOMO. They waiting on the hit, so I just drop FOMO. We playing with sticks, please don't take a photo. So I'm solid as they get. Jeans is purple, but what sent them is bread. Aim for his head like an off the Heezy 20 Tay Navy Fed. Got the sauce if you need me.